So I just bought this keyboard. It's called Any Pro 2. I bought this keyboard from Lazada. The price is about 2 to 3,000. I'm not sure. Yeah, so this keyboard is Any Pro 2 and it is a mechanical keyboard. So in this box you have this one, the keycap changer, the keycap, the keyboard, and the wire to charge the keyboard or use it wired with your computer. So this keyboard can use in main two function is with USB and with Bluetooth. The way you use it with Bluetooth is you have to turn on the button and click function 2, and here it will find the Bluetooth, and when it's connected it will turn green. The way that you can check the keyboard battery is by clicking FN2 over here and number 8. Here it will turn on the light until the percentage. If it's 0 here, it will have 100% and 90, 80, 70, like that. The way you can connect this keyboard with a computer or a laptop is first you need to have this USB-C port and connect it right here. Wait, this way look much better. So first you have to connect this USB-C port in here, and then plug your USB port with your computer. Yeah, I'm going to plug it in. Oops. So after you plug it in, you have to turn off this button here and it will be wired mode. After you connect the keyboard with your computer, it is going to have the light, and you can change it by click F2 and number 9. Here the color will change, and there are many modes like rainbow or this, I don't know how to say, and this one like a fire, and you can customize your own type too. Like for example, my own customization is this one. I have the number in blue, the letters in green, and the function spacebar in red. I think it is a cool combination. And when you're connected to a PC, you can have this thing. It's called OpenKit. It is like a program that you can change stuff like the light. Here you can choose how you wanted the light to be, and it can sync with audio, or you can change like when you click function 1 and then other number will change like this. Here insert F1, F10, F11, like that. And you can also customize this one to be the arrow keys as well. Like mine, I customize the tab and then it will be the arrow keys, and you can choose your things here like number, character, mode. I forgot to tell you that you can like turn the light up and down too by clicking F2, and this here you can see it changed a little bit. And this is one of my favorite light is Ripple. This one, when you click it, it will have here like a very cool light. Yeah, and one of my favorite is Starry Sky. Here you can see the lights just come up by themselves, and it is really cool. So I have been using this keyboard for a few months now. I think it is a really good keyboard for like a price between 2,000 to 3,000 baht, and they even give us our own key thing. I'm not sure what it's called, like key. They will give us our own keycaps, and it is really cool. You can like customize it. And I forgot to tell you that they also have their menu or like quick start here. They show you everything, like how to connect it, how to do different mode, how to connect it with Bluetooth or things like that. For me, I give this keyboard a 8 out of 10 because I have a problem with, I'm not sure, I think it's like the color white. When your hand is like have a little bit of dust, it goes stuck on your keyboard, and sometimes you use like a blower or something, the dust will stuck inside here. But for me, it is a really good keyboard, and I suggest you guys to buy and have a try with it. Yeah, thank you.